Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Indoor Boy. Today we are going to Cauvery Nisargadhama. So let's start. This is a hanging bridge. There's Kaveri river. I saw small fish down there. I'm seeing for more fishes. Yeah, this is the way. You'll see many seats or houses in the way. There are two special things here. One is the birds feeding one, and one is the deer's one. And this place has more bamboo kind of things. And this was the olden days story. There are more hens and all. What does that tree do? What is that tree? There's a dog too. This is another story. This is a good place to visit. They are kings or king's soldiers. And to the way to deers, not to the way, but near to the way, there is this place of water, but not a waterfall. A small and we took photos over there. The water are pure water. And I said you the deers, here are the deers. There is a big one. It's gone. And we came to the bird feeding part. We love birds. And here are the bats or ducks. They are enjoying in water. I'm scared of this. I don't know what it is. But I'm very scared. These are ducks, I guess. They are waiting for food. And this is a small parrot. There are more parrots inside. A white parrot. How is it? Cute? These birds are pinching me. The small tiny parrots. The auntie will put some food of the parrots, and they are going to eat the food which is on our hands. And that's it. We are returning, and that's it for today. Bye friends for now.